Alright, so if you saw one of my last videos, you would have seen in that video that I picked up these right here. And these are the Burberry sneakers. I don't know the exact name, so I'll look it up on my phone. So these shoes don't have an actual name, they just go by the materials, and according to Burberry, they are the suede, neoprene, and leather sneaker, and they retailed for $590, but I got these a part of their Burberry sale, and these were 50% off, and I picked them up for $300, so pretty good deal in my opinion. And the only size on the website they had was my size, so it's just like meant to be, so I just had to do it. So I think these are super sick. In person they're really sick, and on feet they're really sick. So stay tuned for this video. I'll do a close-up portion of the video, and then at the end of the video I'll throw these on feet just so you can see what they look like. They look really sick on feet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now on to the close-up portion of the video. Alright, so before we get into the close-up portion of the review, make sure to subscribe down below. I'm super close to 200 subs, and I'd really appreciate it if we can get there within like the next couple weeks. I think that's a pretty doable goal. I think I'm like 6 subs away at the time of recording this video, so hopefully I can get it by the time I go back to school, and that's in like a month. So I think that'd be really cool if I can get to 200 subs right before I go back to school. I think that'd be really sick. And if I get to 200 subs, I'll probably do a sneaker collection video, and I have some decent shoes, so make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe, and I'll make a sneaker collection video. I think you guys would really enjoy that. Make sure to subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So now on to the close-up portion of the review. So now on to the close-up portion of the video. Starting with the bottom of the shoe, as you can see, these have a completely white rubber sole. The midsole of the shoe is also completely white, and it's also in rubber, so it's pretty hard to touch, but this is still a comfortable shoe, so don't let that fool you. On the heel of the shoe, as you can see, there's a gray leather piece right here, and then there's also another black leather piece right here. And then going to the middle of the shoe, part is completely neoprene, and it's in black. I don't know what this part of the shoe is called. I think it's like the eye stay or something, but this is suede and it's in gray. It's almost the same color as this. The tongue of the shoe is in neoprene, and it's in like a cream color. This isn't completely white. So the laces are completely white, and as you can see, this is like a different color. This is all more of an off-white or a cream color. And then also moving up on the shoe, there's this strap, and this is also in rubber, and there's Velcro, so you can adjust this to whatever you want. And then it says Burberry on the front. And then the toe box of the shoe is also in that cream off-white color, and it's also in neoprene. That's pretty good that it's not leather, so that means it won't crease, so these will look pretty much the same every time you wear them. And then the toe of the shoe is black suede, so that's a pretty nice touch in my opinion. It's the same material as this gray part. And then, if I didn't say anything, the laces are also white, and these are just regular flat laces, nothing too special about them. I don't know if you'll be able to see the inside, but this whole outer section of the inside of the shoes in leather. The insole, this is leather, and then this top part is also like a softer leather, and then it has like the serial number, and then there's a size tag somewhere in here, but it's kind of hard to see in the shoe. Pretty simple shoe on the outside, but really nice in my opinion. It's really clean. You'll see that once I put them on feet for you guys. So that's pretty much all for the close-up portion of the video. So now on to the on feet portion. So now the close-up review's over. Now I'm gonna throw these on feet for you guys. So for the on feet, I just put on some black pants, just that's probably what I'll wear them with. And I think they look really clean on feet. I probably won't wear them with shorts just because they're a bit on the bulky side, but with pants, I think they look really sick. And they're a good summer shoe and a good winter shoe in my opinion, so I'll definitely be rocking them to school since they're really simple and they look really clean on feet. They're like pretty neutral colors, so you can wear them with anything. So that's all for the on feet portion. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now on to the outro of the video. So that wraps up the review on these Burberry sneakers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm really close to 200 subs, and once I hit 200 subs, I'll probably do a sneaker collection video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and you'll see a sneaker collection video pretty soon after. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.